All right. Frederick, how's it going?
It's going.
Excellent. Welcome to Skydive Dallas. So what's going on today?
Well, we get in an airplane, I guess.
You're getting in an airplane. You're jumping out of it too today, right?
Yeah.
Have you ever gone skydiving before? It's your first jump.
I jumped off the house before.
This will be a little bit higher than your house. Well, hey, did they tell you how high off the ground you're actually going to be?
I don't want to talk about it.
You don't. We'll just call it real high.
Yeah, real high.
All right. Okay. Perfect. Cool. Did they tell you how fast you're going to be falling?
Yeah, they had.
Yeah?
About
120 miles an hour. Okay. Right on. So you ready to go?
Yeah, ready.
Cool. California Dave's going to be your instructor.
Yeah.
He's going to finish getting you all geared up and we're going to go, all right? Cool, man. I'll see you on the airplane. Let's go. Right on. Yeah. Have a great skydive, all right? Cool. I'll see you on the outside of the airplane. Yeah. Follow me. Let's go.
Yeah.
Hey, Frederick.
There you go, Frederick.
What do you think of skydiving?
What was your favorite part of that skydive?
Yeah. Hey, Dave, I think he's glad he did it, man. Hey, awesome tandem work, Dave. Nice job. Frederick, thanks for coming out to Skydive Dallas and letting us make a jump with you, buddy.
Yeah.
Cool. See you next time, all right? Later.
Yeah.